Hello, eligible students. Let's continue the class 7 civic chapter 6 understanding media. So students, media and democracy having a close relation, and media plays a significant role in democracy. Media known as the fourth pillar of democracy. Why? Because through this we express our thought, feelings, views against the government policies. It provides the news and discusses events that take place in the country and the world. Why? Because when we watch or read the news, at that time we think that what is right and what is wrong. If the government policy is wrong, then we take action against to the government on the basis of the stories which we watch or read in the newspaper or in the television. So for who help for this? The media only. So hence we can say the media is the fourth pillar of democracy. So what kind of things we do against the government policies, or what kind of actions we can take against the government and the basis of these stories? So through the protest, like a signature campaign, strikes, burn, as well as even writing letters to the concerned minister. Okay, so in this way we can take action against the government on the basis of the news stories. Now balance report. What is balance report? A balance report that discuss all points of view of a particular story and then leaves it to the real function of the media. The function of media is to that to the story with all point of views, with all angles, and not only with the one side. Okay, and do not judge what is right and wrong. It is the readers or the viewers who decided what is right and what is wrong. So hence it's called the balance report. While media report with the all point of view, and independent media means that no one should control and influence. Means there should not be a influence of a individuals or any political person, industrialist, or any industry, or any means. Okay, so there should not be influence on this media, and hence it should not be even controlled by any organization. So independent media can write a balance report. So then it is possible that the independent media will be there and they can write a balance report. Hence it is necessary for media to be a independent. So students, if you see, if the media is not there, or one of the pillar of the democracy is to be collapsed, then ultimately the democracy will be collapsed, because the media is the only way through that we came to know what exactly happened around us and what are the work of the government also. Now, is media is to be independent? Does media provide a balance report? The answer in some extent that no. Okay, so does media provide a balance report? Okay, why? Because of the many reasons are there, but the prominent is censor board and the big business houses. Students, what is the censor? The government has a control on the media by prevents either a news item or scene from a movie being shared with the large public. This is known as the censorship. During the emergency period in 1975 to 77, okay, the government censored the media. Why? Because at that time the media criticized the government, and hence government censored the media. Means there is no right to media that they should not report sense of censorship still fail to provide a balanced story. Students, if suppose there is not censor board, okay, still this media is failed to provide a balanced report. Why? The next reason is a big business houses. Okay, these big business houses are linked with the media. How? Through the advertisement, through the investment. Okay, they provide a money to this media. Okay, so media continual needs of money and they get through this advertising. So media gets advertising from business houses, so it is difficult for media to get reporting against those people who gave advertising. Suppose it's the Coca-Cola or any cold drink which is not good for our health, as well as even that good kind, all those things, still the media, still we have seen in the television. Why? Because these companies, these industries provide the money to the media. And why? Because the media also needs of money. Okay, hence they accept it. And hence we can say these big business houses control the media. So it is difficult for media to get reporting against those people who give advertising. Make third reason, that make the story interesting. Okay, for making the story interesting, okay, they are showing only one angle, they have to be adding something different from the real story. Okay, so in this way we can say they are not showing the balance report. So fourth reason is increasing a public support. In our word we can say the TRP. Okay, for the TRP this media also using a different means. Okay, and they are not showing the truth, they are not showing the balance, not reporting the balance report. Now setting agendas. Okay, so students, by setting agendas means media has to decide what stories to focus and what is newsworthy. Means there should be agenda for this media, that what exactly they should have to which story or which event they should have to focus, and what is newsworthy and what is not newsworthy, and according to that they report through the media. So media should focus on issues that are important in our lives. This is the main agenda. But media not focuses on issues that are important to our lives, and issues that are not important, for example that cold drinks, cricket, fashion shows, which are very popular with the media, issues that are up by the media. Okay, so students, sometimes the local media there who notice the small issues or small things which is not noticed by the media. So it deals with the small issues, that local media means the media nearby. Okay, in the small region, the some of the media is there. Suppose in the village, okay, 2 5 villages there are the one of a media, that fortnight paper, okay, that weekly newspaper. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, so through that this local media, okay, uh, report the small issues that involves about the ordinary people and their daily lives. Recognizing media will not be interested in covering the small issues. Okay, because they did not get money or they did not have any kind of income from these small issues, and that involves about the lives of ordinary people and their daily lives. Okay, example here of the local media is, that is Khabar Lahariya, that it is a fortnight newspaper in Chitrakoot, Uttar Pradesh, run by 8 Dalit women, okay, in local Bundeli language. So reports on Dalits, violence, it, what stories it's report about these poor people, or about these about the small issues like reports about the Dalit, violence against the women, and political corruption also. Okay, so what is the role of readers and viewers? Okay, so they should aware about the reporting which report by the reporters on the television or in the newspaper. Why should we aware about the factual information that a news report provides? It is often not complete and can be one-sided. Need to analyze this news. What is the information I am learning from this report? Means while you read the newspaper, while you watch the uh, uh, television, at that time you should have to analyze few things. What? That is, what from this information what I am learning. Second, what information is not being provided in that event or the story, from whose point of view is the article is being written, or whose point of view is being left out and why. So we should analyze little bit, and we should aware about these things. Okay, so through this we come to know that what is right and what is wrong. We should not be directly influenced by the media. Okay, so here are the some difficult terms. Okay, public protest, when people collectively state their signature campaign, etc. This is known as public protest. Balance report is one that discuss all points of view of a particular story and the leave censorship. The government has the power to disallow media from publishing or showing a certain stories. This means that the government can censor the media, means to ban on them. Broadcast a TV or radio program that is widely transmitted, that called a broadcast. Now students, I think so you understood this chapter very well. If you have any doubt, you can message me or call me even. Okay, thank you so much.